Imagine this, power cut leaves your fan useless and the heat starts to kick in. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, that's not a problem with the Oraimo PowerTurbo stand fan, and in this video we'll unbox it together, check out what you get in the box, and I'll also share my first impressions. But before that,
yeah. So on the side here, you get some specifications and 8 wind speed built-in 4000 milliamps battery. This is the upgraded version, so it has the upgraded fans for stronger airflow. You're also getting a USB Type-C port for fast charging or to charge the batteries on this standing fan. And it's foldable and you can retract the height as well. So foldable and retractable height. And it also has a digital display and a light under it, as you can see right here. How do I take this out? Okay. Get a manual or a welcome guide, as you can see. So this is going to tell you everything you need to know about the standing fan and how to actually operate it. There's no need to read all this. I'm here to assist you. So you get a remote which has the timer, OSC, turbo button, power on and off, light, speed control as well. I don't know why Oraimo included this cable. I was thinking of seeing something very thick, but I think it will still get the job done. I think the best way to do this is to turn this box. I hope I don't spoil anything. And here we have it, the Oraimo PowerTurbo standing fan. Yeah, it has some weight, not too heavy. This is something you can easily carry around or you can travel with. So this is how it folds in and you can easily carry this along with you. So first impressions, the color looks good. Now let's try and get this to stand. Okay. And this is how it looks like when you increase the height. So this part is what actually holds the standing fan together and to prevent it from falling. This is the base, quite heavy, and you can put in your remote here. So right here you have the power on and off button, a USB Type-C port to plug in the USB Type-C to charge the batteries in this, and this light. To easily operate this fan, you want to make sure you have it turned on. So you make sure you have this turned on and that's it. But first of all, just because I'm testing this, I'm not going to put this on charge, but in case you get yours, you need to make sure you have it plugged to power to charge the battery so you can get the full performance out of this standing fan. There are two ways to have this turned on. It's either you use the buttons down here or you use this remote which was included in the box. So to turn this on, you press power on. And as you can see right here, the blade is spinning. Now to rotate the standing fan, you press the OSC. So you press this button and the standing fan should start rotating. Now in terms of speed, you press the speed button and you can change up to 8 speed, as I mentioned earlier, and it was already shown on the box. So you are getting 8 wind speed. I don't know if you can hear the sound, but it's much louder now. 8. This is 8. So this is the last speed. And there's another feature here which allows you to set a timer. So whenever the time is due, the fan will automatically go off. And you can also turn on the light using the remote as well. It makes the product in general looks good. So the turbo takes you to 8 straight. There's no need to change the speeds using the speed button. And now to finally turn this off, you press the power off button right here. Voila.
so this is the Oraimo PowerTurbo standing fan, very easy to carry around. You can easily fold this in and toss it into your medium-sized backpack, and there you go. Very easy to carry around. Now I'm pretty sure you are going to be asking two questions, which is how much does this cost and would it be able to even replace the regular standing fans we do have at home? Now in terms of price, this is selling for 750 cedis. You can check from Oraimo's website, and if you use the app or even the website itself, with my discount code would also help you to get it for less. So would this be able to replace the regular standing fans we do have at home connected to electricity or the grid? Now my answer to this question is yes and no. Yes, because you would be able to charge this and even use it when there's no light, and it will keep running throughout the day depending on how high you have the fan speed set to. If you have it set to a very low fan speed, then definitely it's going to last much longer than you would expect it to last. The second thing is this is very portable and you can go or move about with it very easily. Not exactly the same thing you would get with the regular standing fan. I'll be explaining everything in the review. So if you have any questions, please just let me know down in the comment section and stay safe.